This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. In today's episode, I want to show you how I created this really cool lightning man, Metahuman with some really cool superpowers. So without further ado, let the fun begin. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun photo manipulation episode. Today we will create this really cool Metahuman lightning man, and all the photos that I will be using in this episode, except the main model, I'm the model for today's episode, are from Envato Elements. Envato Elements is an amazing website where you can find all the assets that you need for basically any project that you are creating. You can find millions of stock photos, stock videos, audio files, sound effects, Premiere Pro and After Effects templates like intros, outros, a lot of cool transitions, vector, fonts, stickers, web templates, WordPress templates, and so on and so forth. And one of my favorite things there is that they have a huge list of really cool 3D models. Some of them I will use in today's episode, you will see a little bit later. And they're pretty affordable. The annual plan is just $16.5 per month, and for that you're getting unlimited downloads. Also, if you want to go just for 1 month, 2 or 3, then the price is double, it's $33 per month. So the annual plan is something that is much better. And also all the files there, all the assets are licensed, so you don't need to worry about licensing. You just need to download and use it, and that's it. If you want to try out Envato Elements, follow the link down there in the description, sign up there and enjoy the ride. Right guys, now let's jump straight in the video and let the fun begin. Okay, I started with myself here, and then I choose this helmet. The helmet is 3D model from Envato Elements. It's all in layers. And here you can see you can rotate it however you want. You can choose any orientation and any angle. And that's amazing because maybe I want to have it tilted down or look it to the left or the right. I tried several different versions, but I decided to go with the current one. Also, there are so many different helmets and some cool steampunk skull. This is one of the versions that I maybe wanted to have instead of my head, but then I switched to that helmet you see. But as you can see, there are so many different helmets and other assets that you can use using Envato Elements, and you can create something really cool. Alright, now I will be quiet for a while and let you watch the video. Enjoy.